Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very evening to our panel, Cik Rizal. Today for the subject DCC 6203 Civil Engineering Project 2, which is our title is Smart Highway Laboratory Applications. And for the first presenter, my name is Ikmal Nazreen bin Diauudin. My metric number 01 DKA 18F1170. Okay, now we go to the content of these slides, which is include introductions, problem statements, objective, methodology, data analysis, and conclusion. And now we go for the first slide, which is introductions. Okay, for the introductions, I will say that due to the new era today, smartphones and apps or applications are the thing that the society use the most. For sure, the community have their own smartphone or any gadgets because of the new era today. But to find an application related with civil engineering education is so difficult and there is no progress in this issue. So, we idea to create an app that can relate with civil engineering educations need to be done by some parties to show that is important to improve the educations nowadays. So the highway laboratory work, such as the Marshall mixed design or Marshall stability test, California barrier ratio test, or for the short form CBR, and softening point, need to know a lot of information to done the test and need to done a lot of calculation works. So this study has focused on developing an applications that can be accessible to through the help of QR code. So that's our aim for this project is to help students and maybe for the staff too to find the right informations, procedure, and have data analysis platform for the highway laboratory works. So we go through to the problem statement. For the problem statement, we find that the use of paper in education nowadays still widespread in the rapidly developing of era today. Until now, the highway laboratory work today still use a lot of paper to get the informations about the work. So the lower quality of informations and data, many factors can influence the quality of data obtained through the evolution of paper in lessons. And then the traditional paper-based course evaluation is not eco-friendly because it will take a lot of cost. And then traditional paper-based cost evaluations, so this is take the high cost, which is the using of paper assessments, which is the high cost associated with the process. And yes, we use it maybe only once, and then we just leave it with everywhere. So for the objective of our projects is to design an applications for the civil engineering student, which is we focus on semester 3 work because they learn about the highway laboratory works. And the second objective is to develop an applications that can be accessed by QR codes. And the third objective is to test the functional of the applications during the work. Now we go through to the scope of study. Okay, for the first point, for the scope study is we to create an applications for the highway laboratory works, which is Marshall mixed design or Marshall stability test, California barrier ratio test, or the short form is CBR, and softening point. For the second point, this application's main point is to help the students semester 3 and maybe can help the lecturer or staff too to ease their work and save times. And for the number 3, we focus on QR code, which it is the platform that can be accessible to get through the applications. For the guideline, the information about the experiments such as the material, the procedure of the experiment, the material ratio, and the others. Okay. So let's see for the methodology of this project. For the first, stage one, which is preliminaries. For the preliminaries is we find the issue expansion of this project must have a searching first. So the researching process, we go through the literature review, which is we find about the innovation of learning and teaching, mobile learning and laboratory system. And then we go through about the primary and secondary data. Which primary is which is questionnaire. We spread the questionnaire through online for for us to know about the level of effectiveness of the applications. And the secondary data, which is we searching based on the internet. So we go through to the stage two, which is design and testing. About the stage two is we develop the smart highway applications. We go through after done about the develop about after we done the develop the applications, we can see about the result and we go through the discussion. And for the stage three is analysis and conclusions. Now I pass to the second presenter, which is Syamirul, for continue the presentations.
Okay, testing. Assalamualaikum and very good morning. I wish to Mr. Mohamad Rizal Firdaus bin Wahhid and also Mr. Wan Ahmad Faizal bin Wan Allah. My name is Muhammad Syamirul Sauki bin Ayob and my metric number is 01DKA18F1168. Okay, today me as a second presenter will continue our presentation that has been done by Ikmal Nazreen just now. Okay, first of all, this is our progress and this is the Gantt chart. As we can see, there are 12 activities that have been done by us, which is we spend 2 weeks on, which is 2 semester, last semester and this semester. Okay, the activity which uh, um, first make questionnaire for project, enlarge the scope of work, prepare the proposal from chapter 1, 2 and 3, writing proposal for chapter 1, writing proposal for chapter 2, writing proposal for chapter 3, meet and discuss about the proposal with supervisor, sketching and collect information for the application, designing the application in PowerPoint, trying develop the application and successfully done, writing proposal for chapter 4 and 5, and last prepare for the final. Okay, next. Okay, now for the progress of the application. Okay, first we already designed the application framework. Some of the framework were designed on Microsoft PowerPoint and the others information or picture for the highway laboratory test was collected through the internet. Okay, second, we developed the application using the MIT Apps Inventor server, and we have successfully produced this application in line with the objective. Okay, the picture on the left shows the main main menu screen, which is the 3 experiment: CBR test, Marshall stability test, and softening point. At the mid, CBR test screen been taken as example, which has the introduction, video, and data analysis. Same goes with the other 2 experiment. And on the right side, which is the QR code where it can be scanned by any Android phone to install the Smart Highway Laboratory apps. Okay, next. Okay, there are 3 types of content that have been included, such as introduction, laboratory equipment involved, in the experiment, and finally the experiment work procedure in the video. Okay, this three picture shows the screen of the application, which is for the subtopic objective and theory screen, and also the apparatus screen. Next. Okay, and the coding system being provided in MIT App Inventor, and there are the coding framework that have been done in the Smart Highway Laboratory application. Okay, as we can see, the next. Okay, this is the video that has been shown how our application work.
Sorry for asking, Cik Rizal. Uh, if I play this video, maybe the sound is not going out, so we can go through to the next slide. Cik Rizal.
Boleh tu.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Boleh.
Okay. Adli.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Adli bin Muhammad Amin. I will continue about data analysis. That this study was conducted to evaluate the usability of the mobile application. This survey only focus on the effectiveness of the application that is produced by the Smart Highway Laboratory application. The sample of demography were also taken from this study. The questionnaire used a four-point like scale of what one strongly disagree, two disagree, three agree, and four strongly agree. The descriptive statistic is the frequently percentage mean and standard
Deviation.
deviation. The mean dimension. The mean score in interpretation scale is as follows. Mean 0.00 to
Okay.
1.66 is tahap rendah 1.67 to 3.33 tahap sederhana, 3.33 to 5.00 tahap tinggi. Okay, next. For the section A, based on the chart, the total responded to this questionnaire were 47 students. The
It's
three
36.
nampak
36.2.
the 36.2 percentage where 70 are female student. The
Remaining
remaining
63.8.
63.8 percentage with 30 is male student. Okay, next section C. Okay, this table show that the quality of this smart highway laboratory application is
Excellent.
excellent and user friendly. For section B, which is to see the quality of the project. This can be provided by the mean average value, which is on median level, mean less than 3.33.
3.
That we show on the table, the information provided in this smart highway laboratory is organized get highest mean is 3.33829, and clear display of content get lowest mean is 3.14 3.1489. the average for all questions of the section B is we get 3.2765. Okay, next. Okay, for the section C, based on the table section C, which is to know the information delivery had the user or not, it can be included that the user of this application for comfortable to use it with what has been provided where we see the mean value which is about on height level mean is mean less than 3.33.
Bigger than 3.33. Next
Okay.
You
Adli.
can see on the
Next ke nak terang lagi?
Tak apa. Next.
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 For the section B, the result from section B, which is on to know the user certification when used this application show a very positive response. This can provide by the mean average value which is on height level.
Mean is bigger.
Mean is 3.33.
So it can be concluded.
It can be concluded that the acts of smart highway laboratory application are very useful for students to use for doing examination work in lab.
Okay.
For the conclusion, the project manager to
Achieve.
achieve the objective for users to more easily understand and save their work time. Generally, this project has been successfully created where the application can be run smoothly and efficient. Students successfully complete this project, and this project will help the student or may other people like staff and worker at construction site.
Okay, that's for all from us.
For our
Okay,
For
thank
our
you
presentation.
for the
Okay.
presentation. Okay, Tuan Rizal, Q&A session, please. Can you hear me? Clear? Sound, we can hear you. Tak boleh dengar. Okay. Dia putus-putus ke? Boleh dengar?
Tak dengar suara Cik Rizal.
Tak dengar lah. Dia kejap okey, kejap tak okey. Saya pagi tadi yang kamera problem. Connection kot, connection. Cucuk cabut balik. Tak apa. Tapi sekarang pun saya tengah pakai laptop. Laptop pakai, desktop pun saya pakai. Sebab
Oh, Cik
kalau
pakai dua-dua.
saya handphone tak pakai. Takut ni sebab kalau handphone dia bukan tak boleh. Dia bandwidth dia tak cukup kot. Internet pun kadang-kadang problem.
Tu dah turun naik.
Boleh? Tuan Rizal? Tak dengar?
Boleh. Boleh. Dengar tapi tak kuat sangat.
Oh, dengar?
Dengar tak jelas sangat.
Dengar.
Ha.
Okay. This.
Okay, clear. Hello? Dengar?
Dengar.
Dah.
Okay.
Okay, Tuan Rizal? Ni Syamirul, awak pakai handphone siapa ni?
Ha?
Awak pakai handphone siapa ni? Apa nama? Irfan Najwa ni.
Nama kau bukan Syamirul, Ifan Najwa.
Confuse je tadi.
Oh ni laptop kawan.
Kawan lah.
Kawan lah.
Kawan sampai ke hari tua lah ya.
Kawan lah.
Kau sampai hari tu.
Ada hasil. Okay. Dah. Sabar kita tunggu dia.
Lain.
Sebab
Lain
dia
dia.
pagi tadi problem. Tak apa, kita tunggu je.
Oh.
Tak apa.
Korang hantar rubrik. Mana rubrik?
Tahu weh, 2 orang ni.
Ah.
Hantar rubrik weh.
Hantar rubrik. Hantar send dalam
Sekejap,
grup
Tuan,
WhatsApp.
nanti saya
Tak
tukar.
apa, boleh.
Saya buat PDF kat dia.
Saya 2 benda nak control. Laptop satu, benda desktop satu. Jajak ambil air jap nak minum.
Boleh. Ya, kau ambil je yang dalam geruk tu. Ambil mana-mana punya. Lepas tu hang edit balik. Dengar? Ya.
Dengar.
Alright. Ambil edit balik tu ya.
Hello.
Hello, dengar.
Okay.
Nama.
Okay, dengar.
Dengar.
Alright. Okay, boleh continue ah?
Boleh.
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 So saya nak tanya bahasa Inggeris ke bahasa Melayu ni?
Bahasa Melayu lah.
Bahasa Melayu.
Melayu.
Boleh.
Okay.
Tak apa.
Okay, buka slide balik.
Buka slide balik ya.
Ya.
Ikmal.
Okay, buka slide.
Kalau boleh on kamera lah.
Okay.
Semua ni. So now saya nak you. Okay. To explain secara ringkasnya pasal you punya
Pada projek sebenarnya kami fokus untuk projek untuk di poli kami which is di mana diorang tutup technical. Kemudian kami fokuskan untuk 3 jenis eksperimen sajalah. Untuk kami hasilkan apps ni di mana California CBR test, Marshall stability test dan soft turning point. Dan isi dalam aplikasi ni tertumpu pada objektif, teori, jalan kerja, prosedur, apparatus dia, bahan-bahan untuk kita lakukan eksperimen tu. Kemudian ada video tutorial dan data analisis. Data analisis ni sekadar orang kata untuk rujukan, bukan untuk platform, sebab kalau kami untuk lakukan platform kira-kira tu dia agak susah kami nak hasilkan.
Okay.
Itu sahajalah.
Okay, tu je.
Dan lagi satu, maknanya kalau untuk kami share kepada apps ni kepada orang lain, untuk orang lain install lah dalam phone, kami akan buka QR code menggunakan MIT application inventor tu lah. Dan dia kelemahan dia sikit, saya cerita tentang kelemahan dia terus lah ya. Saya cerita tentang kelemahan apps ni. Dia lebih memang tertumpu kepada Android software saja. Dan kalau kami mahu sebarkan QR code tu, kira kalau kami buka QR code tu dia hanya bertahan selama 2 jam sahaja. Tapi kiranya kalau kami mahu sebarkan bolehlah sentiasa buka untuk, tapi selama tempoh 2 jam sahaja.
Okay. So saya nak tanya, sebenarnya student guna apps ni waktu bila? Maksudnya persediaan sebelum masuk lab ke apa ni? Saya nak tanya.
Kiranya
Masa
sila je.
kerja lab lah.
Sila je.
Betul?
Okay, macam apa dah apps ni apa dah macam dia itu apa dah boleh digunakan macam apa dah oleh student, apa dah tu staff, lecturer dan kerja-kerja yang melibatkan sivil lah. Okay, lepas tu apps ni dia dalam apps ni dah ada semua apa dia tentang prosedur untuk ni. Lepas tu pada macam nak kalau kira bos just masukkan data eksperimen ni. So kalau macam student semua tu
Tak dengar Ayob.
Hilang.
Lain kacau.
Okay, Lan, backup.
Okay, kira macam dia terangkan tadi lah. Tapi sebenarnya macam saya cakap tadi, dia untuk data analisis tu kita hanya rujuk lah. Tapi orang kata lebih mudah lah. Tak perlu untuk kita susah cari sebab semua sudah disediakan. Okay, kemudian
tapi untuk maksud saya tu, ni persediaan student ke sebelum masuk lab dia kena baca dulu, kena tengok dulu, and then bila comes to the lab dia terus buat.
Ya, lebih kurang macam tu sebab kira macam
purpose dia memang macam tu.
Sebab selalunya macam biasanya kalau lecturer kadang-kadang akan bagi kertas. Tapi biasanya kalau kita bagi kertas ni macam kadang student just pegang sekali je, lepas tu nanti letak tepi, hilang apa semua kan. So macam kami hasilkan app ni untuk biar student boleh sentiasa ada benda ni. Di mana-mana dia orang boleh tengok balik.
So dia tambah lagi yang tu?
Sebenarnya tak ada lah.
Tak ada. Okay, tadi you punya analisis you guna SPSS ke?
Saya guna, saya macam rujuk untuk SPSS.
Buat sendiri ke?
Untuk kira-kira tu saya guna formula means lah. Saya cuba cari dalam pengiraan dia macam mana apa semua sebab atas saranan supervisor kami lah. Semua tu untuk maknanya data analisis untuk ambil kira mean daripada questionnaire. Kurang macam tu lah.
Okay, berapa question tadi? Ada berapa questionnaire ni?
Questionnaire tadi kalau ikutkan ada 13 soalan termasuk dengan soalan 12 soalan kepada student termasuk dengan gender tanya untuk bertanya sama ada lelaki atau perempuan. Dan kalau ikutkan questionnaire tu macam kalau kita boleh rujuk tadi dia terbahagi kepada 4 jenis lah, di mana section A, B, C dan D. Untuk section B di mana
sebab you punya present data ni in the means kan, memang kita tahu you punya Chromebag berapa?
Chromebag tu saya tak pasti lah cik. Sebab saya susah sikit sebab saya pun tak berlebih, saya just cari untuk mean apa semua tu lah.
Okay. Berapa kali saya tanya, berapa kali you buat analisis ni untuk dapat suit dengan you punya soalan dengan software tu?
Banyak kali jugalah boleh ikutkan.
Okay. Untuk ni ada keluarkan kos tak?
Kos setakat ni saya cuma minta tolong kawan untuk ajar untuk coding apa semua. Mana untuk hasilkan test tu lah. Apps tu lah. Sebab kami tak berapa tahu untuk buat MIT tu sebenarnya. Jadi saya pun minta rujukan daripada kawan sebab dia belajar bahagian IT. So saya minta tolong dia lah. Adalah
kawan
juga kami
kawan poli lah.
Kawan poli. Kiranya macam kami kira
ambil kos lain lah.
Ambil kos lain kami kira
dia ambil kos pasal IT mau.
Bayar jugalah dia sebab kira dia tolong kan.
Tu siapa yang jawab tadi tu?
Syamirul.
Okay. Saya nak tanya satu. Okay. Kenapa you kena letak elemen apps dalam you punya projek ni? Perlu ada elemen apps ni.
You nak cakap ke?
Nah, siapa nak jawab? Adli?
Adli ke? Syamirul?
Kenapa? Why? Kenapa?
Tidak pula.
Saya lah jawab lagi.
Okay.
Sebab kalau berkenaan dengan orang macam kiranya IR 4.0 lah sekarang. So kami relatekan dengan aplikasi untuk orang kata selaras dengan era yang sekarang, di mana teknologi meluas dalam penggunaan, boleh kata dalam penggunaan pelajaran, perniagaan dan macam-macam lagi lah. So kami kaitkan aplikasi ni dalam course civil engineering, di mana macam introduction tadi, di mana kami menyatakan bahawa aplikasi tentang civil engineering ni sangat kurang lah dilakukan. So kami mencuba untuk lakukan dan ya, inilah hasil daripada kami sikit sebanyak.
Ini boleh print out
apa cik yang ni
boleh print out tak? Dia punya maksud saya dia punya tutorial ke atau procedure, apparatus, teori, objektif semua tu you boleh print out ke tak boleh?
Ni hasil kami tak buat lagi sampai macam tu.
So maksudnya kalau buat tu macam mana tu? Maksudnya kita tak print out. So lectures ke apa ke semua tu nak marking ke apa ke macam mana tu? Nak give marks?
Dia macam kalau macam saya cakap tadi lah, maknanya apps ni sebagai orang kata rujukan untuk pelajar, untuk dia orang refer.
Tapi bila pergi labs, maksudnya you kena guna paper jugalah di labs tu.
Dia macam kira penggunaan paper tu kurang lah berbanding yang sebelum ni, di mana lecturer terpaksa bagi rujukan apa semua macam tu.
Okay. Saya nak tanya, siapa yang tak banyak cakap ni? Yang tengah ni siapa? Adli Amin
Adli.
Adli Amin Okay. Saya nak tanya.
Saya tuan.
Okay, saya nak tanya yang pasal IR 4.0 ni kan. Okay. You ada belajar tak IR 4.0 ni nak tanya? Atau you tahu just basic ke macam mana? Ada belajar?
Belajar tu tak ada, cuma kami Google lah. Sebab
diberitahu lah.
Tak ada dalam any subject lah. Dia akan masuk
tak ada subjek.
Okay. Maksudnya tak ada diterang. Okay. Semua saya nak tahu industri IR 4.0 ni dia ada 4 sampai ke 4 lah, 4.0. Starting 1 hingga 3 tu revolution dia macam mana? Kalau you boleh explain sikit, kalau you boleh tahu secara briefly lah. Saya nak tahu. Bila comes to the fourth revolution, so apa cerita fourth revolution dulu saya nak tahu. Yang you tahu je lah, tak apa.
Penggunaan teknologi.
Okay, penggunaan teknologi. Teknologi yang macam mana?
Teknologi digital sekarang ni banyak maklumat dalam Google apa. Google semua tu, jadi macam kita search je, cari je.
Itu je?
Macam tu lah.
Okay.
Saya tak banyak
ada nak sambung ke? Okay, ada nak sambung ke? Nak tolong?
Syamirul.
Okay, IR 4.0 tu macam ada 4 lah kan. First kalau yang 1.0 tu dia pasal mechanization and introduction of steam and water power. Lepas tu kalau IR 2.0 pula dia pasal mass production assembly line using electrical power. Kalau IR 3.0 pula pasal automated production, computer, IT system and robotics. And for this IR 4.0 dia pasal the smart factory autonomous system, IoT, machine learning.
Okay. You dapat differentiate tak 3, 4, 4 tu?
Dia maknanya macam
Boleh
kira
kita tak tahu. Dia punya tu je dah tahu.
perbezaan
dia
lah.
punya.
Dia
Dia
punya
boleh
perbezaan
differentiate lah benda
boleh.
tu
Boleh.
So far, okay, conclusion saya that pasal you punya project ni so far is a good lah. Okay, untuk you punya benchmark diploma ni, benchmark dia okay. So puas hati lah, tak ada masalah. You create satu yang memudahkan student. Okay, good, ada produk. And then less paper, as you said before lah, less paper. Okay, good. And then we hope that kalau tak ada guna paper ni, student boleh faham lah. And the next, harap macam itulah kan. Then kalau you gunalah benda apps ni, harap digunakan lah. Cuba trial untuk 1 semester, 2 semester ke sampai berapa semester, trial dulu. Kita tengok, once you come to the class, macam mana agaknya. You boleh tak tanpa paper? You buat kerja semua tu tanpa paper. But you dah terbiasa dengan paper, so why not you try tengok macam ni apps ni. Kalau dia berguna, sangat bagus lah. Memang senang lah benda ni. Okay. So that's my conclusion lah. Okay, so far untuk you punya produk is good lah. Okay. Cuba try dulu untuk dalaman. And then kalau dah okay, boleh pergi keluar untuk memudah. Tak payah perlu bawa banyak dokumen ni untuk terangkan dekat orang ke apa. You just keluarkan info you cakap pun boleh. Kan? So tak ada paper. So that's a good jugalah. Untuk seterusnya tu yang... So kita ada masa lagi ke?
Tak ada lah, cukup lah.
Dah habis dah? Habis dah? Okay.
Kita nak go on next group lah.
Okay.
Okay, terima kasih.
So tak ada apa. Okay,
terima kasih diucapkan kepada panel kita, Tuan Rizal daripada Jabatan Pengairan dan Saliran. Okay, terima kasih. Boleh kita sign off. Nanti Tuan Rizal boleh semula lah. Okay, mungkin nak rest 10 minit ke 5 minit ke.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, terima kasih semua.
Okay, thank you.
Terima kasih tuan.
Terima kasih Cik Wan.
Alright.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oh.